Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox blurry screen. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox blurry screen, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to this window of apps. Here in this window of list of apps, you will search about Roblox. Then in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here in this page we click on clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.